What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day, and almost all the commodities is moving in the direction we have predicted yesterday, which I'm going to show you in a very short while. So let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Now at this point for me, the next entry is as price just made, pushed lower, break below the low, and if we have a pullback, we can still get a deep pullback to 50 EMA, and if that happens, I'm going to go short. If we have a bearish engulfer, exactly something like this, I'm going to go short again. So either that, or if the price breaks below this low, nice one. So as you can see, the price is now rejecting 50 EMA. If you remember yesterday, I've said that if the price gives us a good pullback to 50 EMA or at 50 EMA, followed by bearish engulfer after making new low, we have a pullback. In that case, I'm gonna go short. Now for me, conditions are very important, and I don't enter trades blindly. Right here we had a good condition, target 1 and target 2 has been hit, and you see the power of setting right amount of stops and target. 1.8 to 1 reward to risk ratio, the target number 2 and target number 1 has been hit, and then the price pushed back up. So that is what I call taking trades with condition and aligning yourself with the ATR, the way I teach my students as well. Here on YouTube as well, I talk about that in almost every single video. So at this point, my next condition will be, if we have a next candle, very next candle must be a bearish engulfing candle, must engulf the previous candle with the whole body. If we have that, I'm going to go short using 1 ATR, or you can also go 2 ATR for your targets. It's totally up to you. Like I mentioned yesterday, I'm out of this trade. Now I personally want to look for a next condition. If we have that, we are good to go short, and the next zone to buy is right here, which is a minor level and which was already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. Now I have also placed my areas for the possible head and shoulder pattern. If the price, let's say, won't continue to push down and reverse from here, for that I'm also prepared. But for that, price needs to hit my termination zone right here. If it doesn't, if it rejects from here, then exactly I've just mentioned, I'm going to go short with my condition. If it doesn't, let's say we have no condition, price just shoots up, hit my rejection box, in that case we're going to start to prepare ourselves for the possible head and shoulder pattern, and for that I'll keep you guys informed in my upcoming videos. For now, just look for bearish engulfers. If you have that, we're good to go short, and this area for the next possible sell trades, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video on all 3 platforms, neex, capital.com, and on Ovanda as well. Next up, neex. Price now pushed up right here and hit 50 EMA, which is good. After this bearish engulfer, price pushed lower, then we had a pullback. That could be another double top as well if we have a bearish engulfer, or that could be a valid pullback entry bearish as well. So bearish engulfer will be a valid condition. Another retest of the level that has been broken, that is also a good sign. But for me, bearish engulfer will be a valid confirmation. If we have that, I'm going to go short till the zone which I've already mentioned yesterday. For now, I'm just looking for the pullback entry bearish. If we have that, I'm going to go short. Otherwise, I'm going to keep you informed in my next video for a possible new conditions if we have. On Ovanda, exactly the same, bearish engulfer will be my condition. If we have that, I'm going to go short. Next bearish trade will be below this low if we have a bearish trade. If not, then again I'm going to go below this low for my next bearish trades. So let's see how it goes. For now, I'm just looking for bearish trades as long as we are below 50 EMA. Once we are broken above 50 EMA, only then we're going to start to look for the next possible condition, which I want to keep you guys informed as well. Next up, we have gold. Gold nicely hit the targets, and let me show you what I've said in my last video. The price broke below the previous low. Now that is my confirmation that I'm only going to go short if we have some more pullback and the price from bearish engulfing pattern. If we have some more momentum and price push back up and bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short. Awesome. So that is what we call the power of entering your trades with condition. Now at this point, as we had a pullback followed by bearish engulfer, that was mentioned yesterday, and we were prepared for that, and that was also mentioned in my live session with my members that look for the valid and possible bearish trade. So we had a bearish engulfer, price nicely hit down and hit around $24. That's an insane amount of profits, and if it would have entered with just 1 ATR, that would have hit as well. If you look at the ATR of this candle is $23 stop loss, and $23 take profit would have been hit as well, but I chose to enter a bit differently, but that hit the profits targets as well. Now for me, exactly same as net gas. Next condition will be break below this low and then a pullback bearish engulfer and keep on taking shots. Still we are in the zone below, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. So only bearish trades with a pullback entry, bearish, and keep on taking shots. Now if you're someone who takes entry on 1 hour time frame, this is a question I get asked a lot as well. So I've not tested it on 1 hour time frame, but you can still go for an entry. That's totally valid if you want to. Again, bearish engulfer will be below this low if you want to take an entry on smaller time frames. Next up we have silver. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. For now, just bearish pullback trades. We can get a possible retest of this anchor right here with the bearish engulfer. If we have that, we will have a strong sell signal. So only bearish pullback trades. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short till here, from where we're going to look for next buying opportunities. Awesome. So it also hit the target as mentioned yesterday, break below this low with a pullback right here, bearish engulfer, and 180 our targets, which is 54 cents target has been hit easily, and that is also a good amount of profits if you are trading on silver. Now we are out of this trade, made a good amount of money, more than 1-to-1, and that certainly hit your take profit. So at this point, I'm just looking at this level below right here, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades, and it's an only area from where I'll be looking to enter my bullish engulfers or double bottom entry condition if we have that. Otherwise, just bearish trades. Once we are broken below this low, pullback, bearish engulfer till we see a valid condition to buy in the area in green. So only bearish trades. Once we have a condition, we're going to go short again, buy from this area I've just mentioned. Finally, we have crude oil. So as mentioned yesterday, clearly mentioned yesterday, that we can expect a push up to 50 EMA on 1 hour time frame, which we had that. We still didn't have a valid double bottom. For the price to form a valid double bottom, it needs to come down in this rejection box right here. If it does, then I will look for bullish engulfers exactly like this. If we have that bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long. Stop loss can be below this pattern. Now you can also look for double bottoms on 1 hour time frame as well. If we have that bullish engulfer, stop loss below somewhere here, and then I'm going to go long. At this point, just waiting for the price to form valid double bottom. If we have that, we're good to go long. It can still push up from here and push up to 50 EMA or this anchor level. From this anchor level, if you have a bearish engulfer, wherever we get a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, I'm gonna go short. But it needs to push up first to anchor level or below 50 EMA for the valid bearish trade. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition for buy or sell, we're gonna go short with bearish engulfer, go long with double bottom I've just mentioned. So that's it for commodities, guys. If you're getting value, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.